Hi everyone, welcome to YVL Creations. This is Lakshmi. Today I would like to tell you about Phool Makhana benefits and how can we prepare delicious sweet with makhana, makhana ka kheer. First I would like to tell you the benefits of Phool Makhana. Do you know where Phool Makhana is cultivated? The most of the Phool Makhana quantity is cultivated in Bihar, especially at Madhubani place. You know, right? Madhubani drawings so very famous. It is very rich in nutrients, and cultivation process is also very difficult. They need to cultivate in the mud ponds. Do you know what Phool Makhana? It's nothing but lotus seeds. Puffy, right? We know, right? Rice, puffed rice, like that. These are nothing but puffed lotus seeds. These makhanas are native to India, but it's migrated to other countries also. Now China is very using in the medicines. In India also used to in Ayurveda. These makhanas are very rich in nutrients. It has manganese, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, proteins, fiber, zinc, calcium. Like we have many nutrient values. It also helps to anti-aging. Why? Because it has rich in antioxidants and amino acids. It prevents to early aging. Antioxidants helps to the skin healthy, and it also helps to detoxify the body so that heart and liver are very healthy. It also helps to detoxify the liver also, so that liver will be healthy if you are taking regularly. And it has very low fat, so that it helps to reduce the blood sugar levels also, and also helps to lose the weight. And it has calcium, so that it helps to strengthen your bones, and it also prevents the bone diseases. Do you know it also helps to hormonal balance? Many people are facing menstrual cramps, so it helps to treat them also. And it also helps to good for fertility, and it helps to for the ladies it helps to strengthen the uterus, and for the gents it helps to increase the sperm count. See how many benefits with Phool Makhana. We know, right, how lotus is important from the olden days itself, how we get the value. So try to use it regularly. Let us know the process how we can prepare the kheer with the Phool Makhana. Let's start the process. First I am trying to prepare rose water to make this dish. I've taken fresh rose petals from my garden, adding some water to the bowl and kept it on a stove. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can add some ghee to another bowl to roast the makhanas. Just few minutes roast them with the ghee so that we'll get the good smell. After that, we need to add them in the water. Just put them in cool water so that they will be soaked. If you have time, soak it for 10 to 15 minutes so that it will be smooth. Add some more ghee in the same bowl to fry the dry fruits. I've taken badam, cashew and dry grapes. Just cut the pieces, small pieces, so that it will be easily fry and its taste will be good. Keep it aside. Now I am taking boiled milk. It was already boiled. Now I am adding sugar. If you want more sugar, you can add. Rose water is ready. We can filter out. See the color, how beautiful. After melting the sugar, you can add makhanas. Continuously stir them. After few minutes, we can add rose water. We can add up to 3 to 4 spoons. The remaining water we can be stored in the fridge. We can add in juices, something. Then I'm taking fresh ilachi powder. If you add fresh ilachi powder, the taste will be good and the smell also very good. And add dry fruits. It's almost ready. Finally adding ilachi powder. And now add pinch of salt. It will increase the taste. Mix it well before switch off the stove. Let it cool for some time and the dish was ready. The process also easy and healthy. The sugar patients, they can use jaggery instead of sugar. If you like this video, please try to share, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.